Hey guys, welcome to Kucoin product tutorial. In this video, we'll be walking through how to join Kucoin's affiliate program, how to earn high commissions, and how to check your settlement status. Kucoin is a top 5 crypto exchange globally and the home of altcoins. We now offer over 600 tokens on our platform, and if you'd like to know more about this fast-growing industry, please remember to subscribe and hit the post notifications to receive our updates. So in this video, we'll be covering 4 main topics. 1. What is affiliate marketing? 2. How to join Kucoin's affiliate marketing program. 3. How to earn higher commissions. And lastly, how to check your commission settlement status. So what is affiliate marketing anyway? Affiliate marketing is an advertising model where the company works with third-party publishers to drive traffic or leads to the company's products or services. So the third-party publishers are affiliates, and the company would then split a commission to the affiliates when they find ways to drive traffic to the product. So Kucoin is looking for affiliates who share the same values as Kucoin and is willing to promote its product. So how it works is an affiliate can create a unique referral link, and anyone who signs up and registers on Kucoin via that link can then classify as a referee of the affiliate. And then, as a result, the affiliate would be able to split commissions with Kucoin on spot, future, as well as margin trading. So who can join Kucoin's affiliate marketing program? This can really be anybody, right? So if you are a YouTube blogger, Instagram influencer, Twitter influencer, any sort of crypto-related media page or media company can join as long as you have at least 5,000 followers. And you can then register on Kucoin's affiliate marketing program and create your unique referral link. So how do you actually join? So now I'm going to share my screen, and so you can follow along and follow the instructions to sign up for an account. So step 1, become a Kucoin affiliate. So log into Kucoin account via www.kucoin.com. Click finance, and under finance you can find affiliate and enter the Kucoin affiliate page. Click apply now and fill out the form to apply for the Kucoin affiliate program. After successful registration, the Kucoin affiliate team will reach out and contact you directly. Step 2, promote your exclusive referral link. So you can create and manage your exclusive invitation link on the Kucoin affiliate page, and you can configure your personalized promotion links according to different channels. Step 3, earn commissions seamlessly. So whenever a user signs up for a Kucoin account through your promotion link, whether that's on YouTube, on, again, Twitter, Instagram, or any other channel, you will receive a commission up to 45% from his or her completed trades. You will also receive an additional 5% sub-affiliate commission if refers other people. So there's actually 2 levels to this, where you not only will you earn up to 45%, but an additional 5%. So let me break down the sub-affiliate scheme in a little bit more detail. Invite someone through your affiliate link, and that person becomes a referee. You can earn up to 45% in commissions on all trades. However, if that referee then becomes his or her own affiliate and then refers someone else, there are now 2 layers. So you'll be earning 45%, up to 45% for layer 1 and an additional 5% on layer 2. Okay, and this does not affect your referee's commissions. Referee will still get 40 or 45% depending on their level. So Kucoin allows all affiliate partners to visit the affiliate dashboards, where you can manage everything, including your affiliate links, your commissions, as well as special discounts you can give out to referees. So let me share my screen and walk you through the steps in more detail so it's clearer for you. So step 1 is to log on to your Kucoin affiliate account via www.kucoin.com/affiliate and enter the Kucoin affiliate scheme page. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to view the default referral code and link. What I love about this is that you can create special discounts for your referees, right? from between 0%, 5%, 10%, 15%, and 20%. So for example, if you give a special discount of 20%, instead of earning the 40% commission, you'd be earning 20% and giving your referee a 20% discount. Hope this clarifies how to earn commission rewards in Kucoin's affiliate marketing program. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Also, feel free to let us know what you'd like us to cover next time. Happy trading on Kucoin!